It's changed my life a lot because I've been able to take the time to focus on other things that I didn't have the time to focus on before. So my name is McNeil. I'm the founder and CEO of PlayPalz Indoor Playground. I have been a part of the business for about 4 years now. For me, the biggest thing that I love about it is that I get to take my kids to work with me every day. My whole career is based around my children. So anything that I do, I have full access to having my kids with me at any point in time. Our playground's focused on ages 10 and under, but it's focused on being a large scale playground versus where a child can get bored very easily. We are still a very new and emerging brand, and one of the biggest challenges is you don't have a lot of capital to do a lot of things. And so it was hard because I don't have employees that can help keep up with client leads and help keep up with making sure that we're messaging people. And I am also a mom of two, and I am running a corporate location. I'm also running, the franchise. And so Client Tether was a need for us because it essentially gave me the access to having another employee that stayed on top of my leads for me that I was having a really hard time doing and didn't realize I was having a really hard time doing. And it will help me stay on top of my leads. So I essentially got to hire an employee but not have to pay an employee. Texting has changed so much for me. I mean, in my opinion, we get a lot of emails, and I tell everybody, we all kind of send the automated emails. Everyone does it. Email's gotten to a point where there's not a lot of personalization to it. And in the franchising world and getting leads and dealing with lead generation and dealing with your clients and things like that, texting makes it a lot more just like the one-on-one relationship versus a very transactional relationship. And so being able to text people has made it a lot easier, and people typically see the text messages before they see the emails. So it's been a lot better for me. Well, the Client Tether team has been my saving grace. For me, it wasn't just about the load off of what Client Tether could provide. The Client Tether team provided friendship for me. They provided guidance. They provided, I think, way more than I could ever imagine. I feel like I got a great company to work with, and I get a lot of really great customer service. I get a lot of just great things that just come with the team, but I think I also benefit significantly just from the friendships that we've created. And for me, that's a big part of working with someone, is having a good relationship with them and it not being transactional, which is again what Client Tether does for me with my clients. But it's been a wonderful experience. I will preach the Client Tether Bible.